a chroeso i'n rhaglen arbennig ni yn edrych yn ôl ar wersi Cariad iaith yr Aduniad. Welcome to a special programme looking back at the lessons of Cariad iaith, the reunion.
Ac mae'n gyfle i chi ymuno yn yr hwyl yn yr ystafell dosbarth, and you too can join in the fun in the classroom.
Felly peidiwch â mynd i nunlla, don't go anywhere. Treuliodd Ioan a finne wythnos yn dysgu Cymraeg I griw o celebs. Last summer, Ioan and I spent a week teaching a group of celebrities a little bit of Cymraeg.
A tybed oedd y profiad yn sbardun iddyn nhw fynd ymlaen I ddysgu mwy o Gymraeg. Did the experience inspire them to go on to learn more Welsh?
Or did it put them off for life? Gawn ni weld, yeah?
Dwi wedi wneud dosbarth yn y BBEC and I've been struggling a little bit and not feeling like I was really getting there and losing faith a little bit. So that's why it's been so brilliant to be here. I feel like I've got my enthusiasm and a little bit more confidence back again, and I feel like the Welsh is sort of starting to come back again, and it's just made me think, that's it, I'm going to keep going, because that's half the battle sometimes, isn't it?
Yn Manceinion, I'm able to grando Radio Cymru, and so I listen grando a Pêl-droed, Cardiff City, of course, and so I'm listening in the cars I'm driving around.
I've found it difficult to find people to siarad Cymraeg with because I'm not in Wales, I'm in London, and but it's lovely to be back here and to be surrounded by Cymraeg again.
O, da dyn nhw. Rwan, oedd na fwy nag un her yn wynebu'r criw.
Oedd, oedd rhaid iddyn nhw fynd o gwmpas y dre yma I siopa yn Gymraeg.
Ac wedyn, paratoi a gweini, prepare and serve pryd o fwyd I griw o ddysgwyr lleol. Felly, y peth gorau i wneud oedd mynd I ddosbarth Cymraeg, lle fuon ni'n edrych gynta ar y berfa. We had a look at some action words or verbs byddai'n ddefnyddiol iddyn nhw. Right, dwi'n mynd I ddangos berf, an action word I chi, and I want you to give me the action, iawn? Felly, torri.
Torri.
O, iawn, torri, cut or break, ardderchog.
Torri gwallt. Ardderchog.
Torri gwallt, torri coes.
Torri lawnt.
Torri bara, torri lawnt, torri bara. Dŵr yn torri.
Dim eto. Torri.
From personal experience.
A hyn o bryd?
Ar yr edeg?
Pan dwi'n redeg.
Oh no, that doesn't happen.
Right, cymysgu.
Cymysgu.
Like smoking.
Dancing.
Cymysgu.
Oh no.
Cymysgu. Cymysgu. Mix. Cymysgu.
Oh, sound.
So,
Game newydd.
dychmygwch, right? Dych chi'n cymysgu or mixing something.
A cacen Nadolig.
Yeah, and there's like lovely musky, like musk smell coming up. Musky. Musky. You must come and smell this musky.
You must come and smell this musky.
Musky mix.
Cymysgu.
Cymysgu. Pawb fel hyn. Cymysgu.
Cymysgu.
Cymysgu. Cymysgu. Cymysgu. Cymysgu.
Cacen Nadolig.
Oh, stop it, for God's sake.
Blood in my veins.
Right, cymysgu. Right, nesa. Eistedd.
Eistedd.
Eistedd. Da iawn.
Steddwch.
Steddwch.
Dod. Don't have to do the action.
Dod.
Keep it clean.
Quick, we gotta move on quick. Next one.
Sleisio.
Sleisio.
Moron. Little phrases from your anturiaethau fflach eirias, ynddo? Yeah. You can never have sleisio without sleisio moron oren.
Fel fi, not fflach eirias.
Yeah, o ti'n iawn.
Sliced orange carrot. Why isn't that a sentence then.
I
love you, Alfie.
Plicio.
Plicio. Beth ydi plicio?
No, that's...
Na, plio, ie, ti'n iawn na. Plicio. Dych chi'n plicio tatws. Plicio moron. Gweini. It's horrible word, isn't it? Wine? No, but it's connected. You would do this to Gwyn. You would.
Mullet.
Gweini.
Serve.
Gweinydd, like waiter or waitress or servant.
Gweini.
You should know that one.
So, ble mae gweinydd?
Gweinydd. Ble mae'r gweinydd?
Sort of seeing a bit of a pattern coming here, aren't I?
Yes.
Dilynwch y patrwm.
Dilynwch y patrwm. Dai's got it, I think.
Waiter and waitress are they
Look, it's
Yeah,
all
well,
the
gweinydd,
words.
if can be like for male and female, ond gweinydd neu gweinyddes, yn S. Ysgrifennydd. Gweini, yes.
Ooh.
Taste.
Blasu.
Oh, blasu.
Taste, yeah, we know that. We've done that, it was coming into my nose.
Yes, ti'n iawn.
Hey, Bob.
Have it.
Now, to get a bit of street Welsh iawn, instead of saying bwyta, we're going to say, fel mae pawb yn dweud e, so yn y de, in South Wales, bitter. Bitter, yeah, rather than bwyta, yeah? So bitter.
Bitter. Oh, that makes sense.
Yn North Wales?
Yn y de. Yn y gogledd, butter.
No, we say bitter.
Bitter. Yeah? O, gosod y bwrdd. Beth ydi bwrdd? Yeah.
Bwrdd smwddio?
O, bwrdd smwddio, ti'n iawn.
Sorry, did you say gossip?
Domestic god.
No, gosod.
Na. What do you do? Yeah, what do you do i'r bwrdd? You lay.
Gosod i'r bwrdd.
Gosod.
We're going to be served, you know.
Gosod y bwrdd, lay the table. Gosod.
To organise flowers.
Trefnu, yeah. Trefnu, to organise.
Yeah.
Neu to arrange.
Arrange flowers. Trefnu. Trefnu flowers.
Rostio.
Rostio.
Tatws wedi rostio. Panas wedi rostio.
Ciwia. Gwyneg.
Stwffio.
Yeah.
Rostio. Ffrio.
Wy wedi ffrio.
Wy wedi ffrio.
Wy wedi potio.
Wy wedi potio.
Potio.
Mewn dŵr. Dŵr yn berwi. Rhoi'r wy i mewn. Dŵr wedi potio. Potio. Poch, yeah. Potio.
Oi.
Wy wedi potio, yeah.
Oia. Lucy Owen. Oi. Pobi.
Dych chi'n pobi, bara, cacennau, bake, yeah. Coginio to cook, pobi to bake.
Pobi.
Yeah?
Pobi
t-shirt.
Pobi t-shirt, cacen.
Pobi. Gyda Bobby.
Pobi gyda Bobby.
Stinks up after that, doesn't it? Bobby. Gyda Bobby.
Reit te, iawn. Felly, beth da ni eisiau gwneud nawr, right, ydy ymarfer dipyn bach, okay, ar gorchmynion, iawn. So we're going to practice being bossy, iawn. Felly, if you want to tell somebody, iawn, hein ydy to fry, to cut, to drink, to bake, to mix, to serve. Os wyt ti eisiau dweud, quick, serve John, neu you, bake a cake, neu fry the tomatoes, neu fry the onion, iawn. So, mwyn wneud yr gorchymyn, the command form, dych chi'n gwybod beth da ni'n rhoi ar y diwedd? What ending do we say? Perffaith. So, stuff would be... Stwffiwch, da iawn. Stwffiwch.
Ti'n hoffi stuffiwch.
Fry would be... Friwch. Taste.
Blaswch.
So na I ddweud y gair and you give me the command form. Torri.
Torri.
Sleisio.
Sleisio.
Eisteddwch.
Gweini.
Gweiniwch.
Blasu.
Blaswch.
Plicio.
Plwciwch.
Beth?
Pliciwch.
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 And what about blasi? Is it blasiwch or just blaswch?
Blaswch. So, the ones, right, sydd yn
To serve.
to serve. Diolch man hyn, all the yo endings, right?
Slice your...
Drop them off.
Yeah.
Eat.
Butter.
Bitter.
Beth yw pob? Ydy pobwch neu pobi? Ie, pobwch.
Pobwch, yeah, pobwch. Felly, all the yo endings, mae'r o yn diflannu, disappears, and we just say postiwch, pliciwch,
Stwffiwch.
Rostioch.
Ffriwch.
Sleisiwch.
ardderchog. Then they finish in a vowel fan hyn. Felly, bwyta becomes bwytwch, blasu, blaswch, cymysgu, gweini,
Gweinwch.
Da iawn. So all these end in vowels, you do exactly the same. Drop
Just
off
knock
the last
them off.
vowel, iawn?
So, cymysgu, is it cymysgwch?
Yeah.
Or do you
You
get
don't
rid of the
put
G?
iwch, no. The G's still there, just the last
Cymysgwch.
vowel, iawn? So, bwytwch, blaswch, cymysgwch, gweinwch.
Gweinwch.
Iawn? Torri,
Toriwch.
torwch. Da iawn.
Torwch.
Trefnu,
Trefnwch.
trefnwch.
Trefnwch. Blodwch.
Trefnwch y blodau, the flowers, yeah?
He
or
lives down the
trefnwch.
road, doesn't he?
You don't need to turn
Trefnu
blodau into a
Blodau.
kind. Bob.
Gosod,
Oh, yeah, I know.
Gosodwch y bod.
da iawn. Gosodwch, pobi, pobwch, da iawn. A wedyn, mae hwn yn aros as it is. You leave it as it is. Because it's just
Eisteddwch.
in a vowel,
Yeah.
so eisteddwch, eisteddwch.
Eisteddwch, yfed.
Ac wedyn, yfed, little bit different, because it doesn't end in a vowel, you drop off from where the vowel was. So instead of, you don't say yfedwch, you just say yfwch. Yeah?
Drink it.
And dod, completely different, irregular. Dewch. Dewch. Yeah.
Dewch nhw.
Oh,
Dewch
Dewch
i
Dewch i
mewn.
mewn. Yeah.
Dewch i mewn, der ymlaen.
Der ymlaen, ie, yn union.
No, der ymlaen.
Yeah.
Give him a...
Dewch is the chi version, dere is the ti
Dere,
version.
yes,
familiar
I was
version.
gonna-
So
yes,
irregular, iawn, so mae hwnna'n wahanol.
Oh, Dewch i mewn.
Okay?
Da iawn, Bob.
But we're going to
Ed's roll, okay? So think Ed's roll, head's roll, Ed's roll. Ed's
Edward.
always disappear, the E and the D.
Ah, always.
Always.
Let's roll. Nice, I like that.
So those are commands, they're all commands now.
Commands. Once you
drink.
put an uch,
Uch,
avwch.
avwch,
If you want to tell somebody, do it.
drink, avwch.
Avwch.
drink.
Avwch.
Wash up.
Bwytwch a mwynhewch. Drink,
Drink.
eat, be merry. Eat, drink and be merry, iawn?
Medwch.
Okay, right. Os dyn ni eisiau dweud wrth un person, if we want to tell one person i wneud e, dyn ni ddim yn dweud och. You put a different ending. Ah, da iawn. Ah, so you don't, so then you say, how do you say poach? Alex, poach the egg. Poach. Pocha. Instead of pochwch, you say
So,
poach. Ah,
so that command, diolch, is
is when you're telling
definitely
a
with
group
two or more.
of people,
Or
or
you don't know them very
you don't
well.
know them, formal. You know, like the chi version we were
So
talking
the
about.
uch is the formal.
Uch is the formal,
Formal
yeah?
and
Formal.
full.
So, uch, formal neu plural, lluosog, iawn? A wedyn a is informal, singular. Felly, or to a child.
You didn't know, you would still
Yeah,
say
you'd
an
still
R.
say an a. Still say an a. So, pocho,
Pocha.
plicio, stwffio, rostio, ffrio,
Yeah.
sleisio,
Bwyta. Bwyta.
same, yeah, bwyta,
Blasa.
blasa,
Lasa. Lasia.
just na blasa, get rid of the
Blasa.
U.
Cymysga.
Cymysga,
Cymysga.
gweina, tora,
Gosa. Gosoda.
gosoda, gosoda'r bwrdd,
Poba.
Poba.
Eisteddfa.
Stedda.
Yfeda.
na, eds, always
Oh,
roll.
yeah, yfa.
Yfa. Da iawn. And then this is dere.
Dere.
Dere. Dere ma. Dere. Iawn?
Chwarae teg. O, dda iawn.
Dyn ma nhw, ond gawn ni weld pa mor dda ydyn nhw ar ôl yr egwyl pan fydden nhw'n chwarae yn fersiwn i o Simon Says.